Oh, okay. Oh, am I the one that gets frustrated by lighting a tickle? Am I the only one? Really? This is a task that I really don't like. But one thing, I like food cooked food cooked on a jiko. Oh, acha tu pepete jiko. Who else uses this? Mama, I haven't got nyamaza kidogo. This is a very excellent storage for steel wire. Very resourceful. Don't throw this away. Okay. Do you all know today is the day Stella alirudi? Kwa mwezi wa tano tarehe 17 Stella aliporudi amebeba mtoto mkononi ama mgongoni na mchina. Stella is back today, yo. So I feel like we are all for a road trip, 2 hours drive road trip. Alafu we just come back, and I think me personally driving off and the road trips. I've seen a nice car. Oh God, bless me. One day, I've seen a really nice car. So I feel like me road trips doesn't really make sense, and the music, they're the ones making me sane. And at this point,
National Carrier Kenya.
So that's the view of the city, Kisumu City, the lake, the rocks here, and then us here. Scalp, white-tailed red, petite beetroot. From where? Western Cape. Single. Alcohol abuse is dangerous to your health. Hi, so I'm here at the venue at the place, such an awesome place. Oh, for a view of the city. Yeah, so let me just turn the camera and show you. Sorry, after yesterday I left you people hanging. I'm not good with this indoor vlogging. It's not really my thing. So I promise today I'm gonna be accountable. So I'm heading to pick something from the groceries, and yeah, I have my mask one, I have my mask two, so I'll put them on when I reach the mall. So yeah, see you there when you see me. So I want to edit a video that should be up before this one that I'm doing. So if I say I can't, I can't. Me and these intro videos, I just nod, my thing. I can't. Full stop. Ni machine do I like. Literally. Please give me inspirations. Give me video ideas so that I'll see if I can make them. So I just joined TikTok and I've done all this makeup for a TikTok video. So see you there on TikTok. Remember to pick the camera after I'm done washing dishes, and then I do something and then I'm like, I'll record it, and then when I'm done